Hi, sweetie. Coffee, please.
Are you okay? You look exhausted. Hi, Zebra.
Yeah, it's this new project, Ethos. It's really getting me.
Yeah, listen, you've been off more than you can chew.
Yeah, your mom, she
Stop!
advised me.
Stop! This is madness.
Excuse me, we're talking
Not
here.
you again.
You can't just say that and confuse these people.
Say what?
Bite off more than you can chew.
Who are you?
I am Doctor Idiom, and I specialize in treating idiomatic depression. If you're having trouble with idioms, the doctor is in. An idiom is a word or a phrase that means something different than its literal meaning, but it is understood by native speakers because of its popular use. So what does this idiom mean? That is not what it means to bite off more than you can chew. To bite off more than you can chew means to agree to do more than you're capable of doing. Do you get it? My work here is done. Idiomatic depression cured. The doctor is out.
What just happened?
Don't ask.
That lady just took your cupcake.
I said my name is Doctor Idiom.
Yeah, it's this new project, Ethos. It's really getting me down. Can I have coffee, please?
Oh, hi, Dad. Are you okay? You look exhausted.
Jeez, just-
I didn't do it.
It's me.
Oh, can I have coffee? Hey, you're cute. Can I have your number?
Oh, come on.
What can I say?
Love it.
That is not what it means to spill the beans.
Oh no. Oh no. It's so far away. No, that's not what it means to spill the beans. It's not even about spill the beans.
Hi everyone, hope you enjoyed our video.
If you want more videos like this, please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
And don't forget to click that notification bell.
Also, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. See you next time.
Are you gonna eat that?